Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. We've been using this compact clip light from Coast. And let me tell you what we like about it. First off, I love the clip. It's got a spring on the back and you can clip it to your pocket. You can clip it on a hat brim. And it's also got magnets on the back so you can stick it to any ferrous metal. I love how compact this thing is. And you can rotate the head so that you can shine the beam wherever you need it. It's got a white light for general purposes and a red light, which is nice for emergency signaling, and it's not quite so intense and blinding. What's really nice with this compact light is that you get 80 lumens of light and a 42-foot beam distance. Using two AAA batteries, you get just under 4 hours of runtime. Also, you get a lifetime warranty on materials and workmanship. So if you're looking for a bright, hands-free flashlight, this compact clip-on version from Coast is Family Handyman approved. To see what else we're testing and more Family Handyman approved products, visit us at familyhandyman.com.